सद्गुरु भगवान की जय, स्वामी जी महाराज की जय। शिवोहम। ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुपदम्, मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। सद्गुरु भगवान की जय, स्वामी जी महाराज की जय। शिवोहम। It is the 15th stanza of chapter 4. It is saying, एवं ज्ञात्वा कृतं कर्म पूर्वैरपि मुमुक्षुभिः, कुरु कर्मेव तस्मात् त्वं पूर्वं पूर्वतरं कृतम्। एवं ज्ञात्वा कृतं कर्म पूर्वमपि मुमुक्षुभिः, कुरु कर्म एव तस्मात् एवं पूर्वतरं कृतम्। एवं means in this way, ज्ञात्वा means after knowing, कृतं means done act, karma means activities of life, purve means pastime of pastime, api means also, mumukshubhi yani seeker of the truth of atma, kuru means do, karma means act of day to day life, eva means that, tasmat yani therefore, tvam yani dvam yani thou or you, purva means do as you, as your forefathers done. Purvataram kritam matlab as the done always for for the act of knowing. Now I am telling to you the words meaning of this stanza. At the ancient time, from today, the senior seekers of ancient seekers do as effort as the senior seeker or the ancient seekers do that effort, do that practices of divinity. You should follow them as it is, because the path is only one. So Sadguru Satchidananda Paramatma, the owner of and the master of millions of galaxies, uncountable galaxies, say to the Arjuna, and Arjuna is only the cause. They are the master saying to all of the humanity of the world. If anyone knows that absolute truth, if anyone knows absolute truth, his tattva, he comes by the same path. If any person enlightened in this world, the path is the same. Which is that path? He comes by the same path in the way the previous seekers come by this path. So this path is secret path of enlightenment, so that knowing can possible by the following the same path of previous seekers, and they follow them previous seekers, and they follow them previous seekers, and they follow them previous seekers, and the pioneer person was God, because the God given this way, as in the chapter 3rd, the Krishna says, I given this knowledge to son, and son given his son Vivasvat Manu. So this the path is continuous coming from the past and senior seekers. They senior seekers When they know this ultimate truth, they become master. So the master is thus your senior seeker, and master your only the knower of this path on this earth. So it is the sky, it is the journey of sky, it is the path of sky. As you see, the word fly at once. So this is the Vihangam Marga, this is the sky path. There is no map for the word flying in the world. Bird can fly anytime, anywhere, in any direction. Aeroplane has its direction or its path, but word has not path. So the Upanishad says that this is the Vihangam Marga. This is the Vihangam Marga. And this path and this method is very, very secret. Because its secrecy is so secret, so top secret, so supreme secret. You cannot find this path in any books. You cannot find this path in history. You cannot find this path in the traditional values of any society of the world. You cannot find this path on the Google Plus. You cannot find this path. Even the divine person of India and the world, if they have the thousands of millions of millions devotees they have a crowd of the persons. Like Michael Jackson stand on the stage and the crowd hearing the Michael Jackson, and the crowd jump in the joy with the song. If like this person, they have the millions of devotees, you can understand in India and also. So it is not essential that they know this path. Because how can it is possible? The majority of person cannot choose the truth. Because they are not ready to choose the truth. Truth is the very rare and rarest, and the last truth of self-knowing is very rare. So only the master, the few master, not all masters, the Sadguru. There is many master in this world. The painting master, the drafting master, the swimming master, the wrestling master. You have got many masters, but the divine master, the Sadguru, is rare and rarest. So the divine master Sadguru knows this path of enlightenment. And very few books of this world, the millions of books in this world, but in the Hindu mythology, the Upanishad and Gita and Veda and some part of Purana, they only indicate, only give the signals of this path. Upanishad is very pure and very good word. Upanishad means, up means near, Upanishad means sit. If you sit near your master, you can transform it, because the master's rays of the body, they affect you. The master's voice will affect you. The master's life will affect you. The master's action will affect you. Now everything of master affect on his disciple. If I want to say a good example, if you throw your shoe in the big fire, the shoe will burn and convert into the fire. That is not shoe now. So a person, a known person, a dark person, egoistic person, a person with the illusion of this Maya comes to the Sadguru, and Sadguru is a biggest fire. So he convert you into the Brahma, into the Paramatma. So I say that even the people in the religious fields of this world, they have know nothing about this path. Big position, big value, richest person, they have big ashrams, they have respect in this world. It is not essential that they have the knowledge of this Atma Sakshatkara. I aware you, if you see the thousand of disciples of any guru, do not misunderstand. Maybe he is blind. Maybe he is giving his disciple the dark of the name of light. So, the master are not several of this divinity. I want to repeat, the general masters are several, but the Sadguru are not several. Because the enlightenment and the super knowing, it is the rare. Few of this field Sadguru are present here, not plenty. Plenty, I want to say, the Sadguru are not seasonal fruits. They are on trees. Sadguru is a rare and rarest star. He comes on the earth for you. Sadguru is the past of Mumukshu. Mumukshu, the real seeker, the absolute disciple, Mumukshu can transform it into the Sadguru. So the past of Sadguru is past of previous seeker, Mumukshu. I want to describe this word Mumukshu. Mumukshu words comes from the Mumuksha. And Mumuksha, it meaning very deep desire to knowing yourself, to knowing the truth, the knowing the existence, that is the Mumuksha. And who is Mumukshu? That Mumuksha having, that is Mumukshu. So, aim of knowing, that called Mumukshu. So everyone want to know this ultimate truth of self-knowing. That is, one must surrender. If anyone want to know this truth, ultimate truth, that is one thing, must surrender in the feet of past Mumukshu. Past Mumukshu, it means Sadguru. As a male child grown up, after 18 years, he become a man. So a Mumukshu become a master. A Mumukshu become a Sadguru. So present Sadguru is the previous Mumukshu. This stranger is saying. I want to say, a Mumukshu grown up and transform it into the Sadguru, only and only alive with the physical body, Sadguru can give you the ultimate light, ultimate truth and enlightenment, and enlighten you in your pure soul. So the Bhagavan Krishna says in this stanza, go and ask his secret to the past Mumukshu, to the Sadguru. Master asked him with all due respect. Master Krishna says, asking him with the all due respect and regards, sincerity and the great love divine. If the Sadguru merciful on you, they can tell you this truth and and open the secret in front of you. If you are not deserving person and you are incomplete person, Sadguru will not open this secret in front of you. This is cause on this earth there is no big number of Sadguru. I'm trying to give this earth big numbers of Sadguru. So I am doing my labor on my mumukshus. It is depend on your internal setup. Master says it is depend on your internal setup of divinity. Maybe Sadguru said to you secret. So the Upanishad says the great holy books of Vedanta, sit near the master, is meaning of Upanishad, 108 Upanishad, and saw the some holy books also. Disciples sit near master and apply the technology of master, develop the mumukshu for every second, and time will come. In this way the master teach, the master's body aura and the vibration, the mercy sight of his eyes and the words of love will transform it you, if you are that type of disciple. This is only way of Atma Sakshatkara. Krishna, Shiva and all the great masters says like this, and Kashmir Shiva Tantra says their Guru Rupaya. The master is only alternate on any way, except master nothing. The whole world like a wall of the mountains, and the master is only and only door open to enter in divinity. Only and only one passage in these mountains for liberation. Lord Krishna wants to say by this stanza, anyone of present, past and future, if in light, if known this truth, he knows this truth by the seekers of past. Purvatare tatha, purvareva mumukshuvi. We all them comes from the master. So Arjuna, you like that as they done, you like that as they live. Do not unbalance on the path of jnana. You know, I see a video, a stuntman want to add his name on Guinness Book of World Record. So he took a big rope between two mountains and he start from here to there, and under his underpass very very deep valley, 10,000, 15,000 meter deep valley. If he slip his feet, there will not the portion of bone will be remain. So like this you understand the Jnana ka Pantha Kripan ka Dhara says. So this is a rope. This is a rope of meditation. If you accept this meditation, you should be careful. You should be put your every step very careful and you make a balance. If you lose your balance, then you slip, and then you slip, you will go in the millions years of the valley of death and birth, pain and sorrow. Try to understand, my dears. The meditation brings you awareness and enlightenment. Only meditation of the Sakshi, only meditation of awareness. The other meditation, they are not meditation, they are concentration. So, if a person is going on the road, the person, they are standing around him and they are making noise and they are beating the drums. Person never give attention to drum or the noise. Person give attention to the next step on the rope. As your duty, if you want to know yourself, if you want to know this truth, it is your duty. You have attention on your Sakshi. You see yourself every second and every minute. Never lose your attention to the external world. If you want to enjoy the external world, don't come in this path, because this is the path of awareness. This is not a path of sensuous pleasure. No. So, like this meditation, the Atma Sakshatkara, the self-knowing, the Mukta, the Tattva Jnana, if you successfully do this meditation, all things happen automatically. The Guru will mercy on you because you are honest seeker. And you will cross this rope way. You will cross this rope way. And you never miss by this way. If you miss your balance, you will fall into the deep valley of death and birth, I say. Nobody knows what will be his next birth. So, please do not lose your balance. Walk carefully on the rope of Sakshi meditation. Never broke your peace and awareness. That would be make nice, that would be make you undisturbed journey. Persons will make disturbance. Person will give you pain and pleasure. Will come and goes. But do not involve in them. Keep attention of your meditation of Sakshi. One day you will reach, by the help of Master, at your last destination. Karma's last result is that, I want to say, Karma's last result is that in the last soul is remaining, all illusion detach. I say detach. So you should obey as the Janaka, obey his Guru Astavakra, and you obey as Sukdev, obey his Guru Janaka, and you obey like master to disciple, master to disciple. This is the chain comes from the God to here. The master to disciple, this is the chain. So that master is the last chain of the God. If you can't see God in the master, you can't see God in the God. And this precious knowledge come to you by the living master only. You can do only prescribed karma. As you can bath, take food and other, this is your prescribed karma. Your service, your business, this is your prescribed karma. Day-to-day living. You have to stay and stop from the meaningless running of death and birth. Please stop. The blind race will fall you in the deep valley of death and pain again and again. My dear Arjuna, these message for you for you detach from illusion, magic and mesmerism of the Maya, and if you detach from this mesmerism, Maya, my message is that you can detach by the technique of your forefathers, your gurus. The gurus is your forefather. The father give you birth. He is not your divine father. Divine father is master. So, come this path of jnana, this path of liberation, and I and other persons, other masters coming from this path, and they come on this earth, the help of real seekers. So my dear friend, I want to say little slogan: be vegetarian and do meditation, be aware and get liberation. Be vegetarian and do meditation, be aware